Hello friends, let us understand how to host our web page for free. So this page is running locally at present. Now, in order to host it for free, I am using GitHub. You can log into this website and create your own account. I have one and I am logging in at present. After login, we have to go to the top right corner and click on the plus symbol and select New Repository. Give any name to a repository. If it's available, it will be immediately created. Also give short description about the same and do not forget to click on Add README file option. Just before the Create Repo option, there should be a master word visible above it. In case it is not master, you have to change it to the master, because sometimes instead of master you will have main written there, and from the settings you can change it to the masters. I have already changed it. Now go to the add files and upload your files. Do not forget to rename your HTML file as index.html. Here I am uploading 3 files. Files are getting uploaded. You need to also type regarding the changes as I have mentioned here, but it should be according to your files. Click on Commit Changes and then go to the settings. Now when you scroll down, you will find one option, GitHub Pages. In first option, select Master, then Root and save the settings. Now you will be able to see the address of the web page. It may take some minutes. Now click on the given link and check if your page is up and working. Let me know in the comment section in case of any difficulties. Would be happy to help. Thank you.